GG-B100 has what we call a built-in mission log. This takes the GPS signal from your mobile phone and combines it with the altitude reading from your watch. This logs your activity, allowing it to be reviewed later on in the G-Shock connected app. Start the mission log at the beginning of your activity. First of all, make sure your watch is in the home time mode. This is the mode where the date or the time is displayed. To activate the mission log, open the G-Shock connected app and hold down the lower right button for 5 seconds. Once the watch has recorded your location, Log On will display. The mission log is then activated and your current altitude and location has been recorded. Now, whilst you're hiking, the mission log feature records in the background, but whilst it is recording, every single feature on the watch can still be used, such as the compass, altimeter and barometer. The mission log will automatically keep on recording for 12 hours unless otherwise switched off. Once your activity is complete, to deactivate the mission log, simply hold down the lower right button for at least 5 seconds. Once you're back safely, you can review your mission log in the G-Shock connected app. Simply hold down the connect button and then download all of your data, view stats, as well as a detailed map